you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be doing a breakfast meal prep. If you've been here before, you know that I do meal prep videos on the weekends, breakfast, lunch, and snack meal preps. So for today, I've been experimenting with this mason jar breakfast recipe, and it is really delicious. So I have these little mason jars, and I am going to add in all the ingredients for an omelet for this week, and then they'll be ready to go for each day. So I'm gonna add in egg, a little bit of milk, some cheese, and then I have this already cooked bacon. It's very convenient if you don't wanna cook your bacon at home. You can buy it already cooked at the store. So I'm gonna use these little mason jars and have everything in here. They're ready to go, and then in the morning, you can either put it in a pan and cook it on the stove, or what I've been doing is just heating them up in the microwave. So they're really convenient. You can just grab these, take them to work if you're running late, and heat them up in the microwave, and they're just delicious. So I will show you how I make them. They're really fun, super easy, and breakfast will be ready for the week. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack in 2 eggs into each mason jar. All right, and I have this already cooked bacon, so I'm gonna take a couple pieces. I'm gonna use my kitchen scissors, and I'm just gonna cut it into some small pieces. All right, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of milk and some shredded cheese into each one. All right, I'm gonna put the little tops on these. These are so easy to make, super quick, really great to have ready to go for the week. So I'm gonna put each lid on. And then you could shake these, is what I like to do. So I'm gonna give it a shake, and it's gonna mix up all the eggs, and these are gonna be ready to go for breakfast. So like I said, I made these in the microwave, and I microwaved it for about a minute, took it out, stirred the eggs, and then microwaved it again for another minute. And so these are so convenient to have. You can cook them in a pan on the stove as well, but they are ready to go. So we have our omelets with bacon and cheese, eggs, and milk. Super simple, and now we have a healthy breakfast for each day this week. Check the description for the recipe for this. If you need some mason jars, I'll link the ones that I use. I love these. These are perfect size for this egg dish. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope that you have a great weekend, and I hope I see you next time. Bye-bye.